Hello and welcome to a review from MSITC. Today I want to introduce not a flashlight as I always do. Today I want to introduce a new product from Niteye. Niteye is a manufacturer who introduced last year this great and famous i30 flashlight. Now Niteye has introduced a new product. This new product is the K1 Tactical Defense Pen, or in short, K1 Tactical Pen. I assume you know what a tactical pen is and what its purpose is, so I don't want to go too deep here. I just want to introduce the new K1 to you. The new K1 is a high-end writing tool. You can use it in a lot of situations. You can use it in a military environment, or you can use it as a business meeting writing tool. It's really versatile. So the K1 pen is available in this color. This is Desert, and it is also available in another color. This is called Army Gray. So you can see the difference between them. Desert, Army color. It is a high quality product and is made of aerospace aluminium and has a military grade anodization. So this is all nice, but I want to introduce you a real practice test. So you can see this is filled with water, and I just want to see what happens when the K1 is put underwater for about 15 seconds. So I let it for 15 seconds here underwater in this box. And want to see whether it works when I put it out. Alright, 15 seconds are over now. By the way, as you can see, there are some holes in the body. This makes sense because when this pen is put underwater and is full of water, the water can go out here. Now let's see whether it works. As you can see, everything is fine. So it worked. So my conclusion: both pens are really fine. They have a pretty good quality, and you can use it in a lot of situations. You can use it as a military, as a tactical pen. You can use it also as a pen for the business meeting or so. Both are pretty cool pens in my opinion. So I can say that Niteye did all did again a pretty good job with both pens, as they already have done with their Niteye i30 flashlight. Alright, thank you, and this is the end of my review. Bye bye.